This is salmon. This is pork ribs, pork shoulder, and we have a medium-sized turkey. Oh, Papa! Oh no! Nagapoy! Hello! You know what I'm doing? I am smoking! Tinapa. That's what we do here in Canada. We smoke our food using our portable smoker. So today guys, I'm going to show you how we smoke at the same time grill our food. We are using this portable grill and smoker. This is fueled by propane. Can you see the propane over there? We also use wood chips to make a smoke here. Yeah. The brand is Masterbuilt. You see, here's the box. It's brand new. Actually, this is Papa's favorite thing to do right now. And he decided to buy this para makapaggawa kami ng tinapa. Woo! This Masterbuilt has its own temperature here, measuring the temperature inside. And we also have a thermometer to measure the heat or the cooking temperature of our food. Guys, thank you very much for coming to my channel and watching me today making my smoked food in my portable smoker right here in the middle of the city of Toronto in my backyard. One thing that's good in this smoker, it's because it's slow cooking, so the meat is tender, the flavor is intact, and it's really delicious. So and when you cook the food slowly, it's more flavorful and really good. So that's why we like a smoker. And this will be very good also in smoking fish, because I like tinapa. Later on, we'll be cooking tinapang galunggong, tinapang tilapia, at bangos. So always keep on watching my videos, guys. Okay, let's try to open it. Let us try to open to see what's inside. Woohoo! Smoke, smoke, smoke! Smoke gets in my eyes. Okay, first let me show you the operational thing. The operation of this. The propane gives the fire, and then there is this pan. Oh, Papa! Oh no! Nagapoy! Okay. I need to close it first. Kasi nag-apoy. Nagkaroon siya ng hangin. So, nag-apoy siya. Nag-apoy siya, my friends. Masusunog ang aking isda. Okay, let me see. If the fire is gone, I can show it to you quick. So, at the bottom is the fire, followed by the wood chips, and then followed by a basin of water to make it steaming and not dry. Okay? And then there's the layers of food. We put the fish at the bottom so that the fish would not be dripping on the meat. Okay, let's see. Yeah! Oh, this is salmon. This is pork ribs, barbecue. This is pork shoulder. And we have a medium-sized turkey there on top. Wow! Woo! Too much smoke. So, our smoker is going. The temperature right now is 225 degrees Fahrenheit. That's good. The temperature should be around 200 to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. And it will continue cooking Some foods will be cooked for like 3 hours, 4 hours. Okay, so we have fish, the salmon. Cooking would be around an hour to 2 hours. It depends on the heat, but the heat is good, so we have to check on the temperature. And then the pork would be on average cooking time of 3 to 4 hours. And if you want to do some people do covering of foil after 2 hours, and then they'll put it back. It will take longer. But in our case here, our pork are sliced just medium, not too big, so it will cook by itself even without putting in foil. Okay, but the longest time that we will give here is the turkey. The turkey will be cooked the longest among this food, maybe 4 hours or more. And we just have to check the temperature, the inside or the cook temperature. And I have here a copy of the temperature. We're going to open this very shortly to check on their temperature. This I will leave inside. This thermometer I will leave inside for the turkey. But this one we will poke our food. Okay? Ah, look at that. Let's see the salmon. The salmon 90, 92. I need 125 degrees. In the turkey here somewhere in the thick part. Okay. So this is still needs a long time to cook. So I will just leave it there. I'm going to close it now. We'll check it again later. So the fish is good now. The salmon. We're going to take it out now. Ayan, no? Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, here. How about we focus here? The skin is now burned. Ah, look at that. It's 65 degrees, so it's way to go. After when this is done, we will move the turkey down there. Okay. I like this one. This is our first time using our smoker. This is Papa's smoker actually, because he really loves doing this. And I would say that Masterbuilt is good. Okay, it reaches the temperature right away of 200. It just went down again because we opened it. But earlier it was 225 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning it is good. Okay, so we will keep on using this during the spring and summer. We will maximize the use of this because it's really good. So this smoker is grilling and smoking at the same time. So very nice. So now these are the finished product of our smoking today. These are the salmon. Ayan, nakain na ang iba. Kaputol na lang. But I have some more at the bottom. Right there, which are really charred. Good looking charred. These are the pork ribs. The pork ribs. And these are the pork shoulder. And the big one, the bird. The bird is here. This is the turkey. Look how pretty that is. Oh, haha. Yummy. So, tikman natin ang barbecue. Ito, oh. Ito, tikman natin. Ang barbecue. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. It's soft. Almost falling from the bone. You see that? Almost falling from the bone. So, this is about 3 hours of grilling, smoking, and the ribs are so good. It has a little bit of kick of the spice, a little bit spicy because of the dry rub. So good. Yum. Yummy barbecue ribs from the smoker. Good. Can I have some more? Don't eat everything, okay? Leave some for the other people. So guys, I hope you liked my video today. It's about smoking of food. It's a way of cooking here in Canada. It's a way of preserving food too during the cold months here. It's one way of saving money because if you buy these foods, cooked foods from the stores or from the restaurants, they are very expensive. So we will have our own grilled and smoked foods for a few days because we cooked a lot. So I hope you liked my video today. Thank you very much and bye bye.